hello. Mi waki chila video especially I'm lo online be no even waki wo koko yet to no planning koko now tintin lo planning koko. Okay, firstly suppose you tintin lo planning koko you must cut ground. Okay, you confirm most in this land ground you now you can use him lo planning koko then you can start lo okay work koko. Okay, secondly time you like planning cocoa, you like planting like clonal variety cocoa. We now planting malo planting instead of Papua New Guinea. You must cut all hybrid variety. You must also got all clonal variety. Okay, why? Because you by planting all hybrid variety, and then later by converting this hybrid variety go come up clonal variety. So what actually happened and kind of you by working necessarily finish. Tayo working necessarily finish, okay. I mean you must plug all polybags for you by you using all beans for hybrid variety. You planning all going to polybags for you. Na time all grow about 3 to 4 months now. By you converting this hybrid seedlings for you go come up clonal seedlings now. How by you making them? I got two away or I got 2 or 3, but otherwise 2 ways where we saw them whereby you can use them by your budding, by your grafting. Okay, budding and whereby using all buds for clonal variety, sending this hybrid seedling or clonal seedling. Grafting and whereby using all bud sticks for clonal variety cocoa. Now by using this hybrid seedling or clonal variety seedling.